Among all the viruses that infect humans, the most related to the development of cancer is human papillomavirus. Cervical cancer is the cancer of the cervix which is situated in the entrance of the uterus. It is caused by human papillomavirus. This type of cancer is the fourth most common cancer among women, and the second cause of cancer deaths of women between 15 and 44 years old. All cervical cancers are caused by HPV. The important fact is that this cancer type is preventable through vaccination and screening programs. The virus can be the cause of other important cancers in anogenital areas, and the oropharyngeal tract. In these cases, it affects not only in women, but also in men. Not all of the causes of this cancer types are associated to HPV, and good prevention strategies have not been well defined yet to prevent these types of cancer. Talking about the virus, human papillomavirus belongs to the viral family Papillomaviridae. Human papillomavirus includes more than 200 viral types. Different viral types can infect different specific epithelia. Those viral types that infect anogenital areas epithelia are the most common sexually transmitted infection. It is said that approximately 80% of the population will be infected by HPV once in their life, but only a few people will develop precancerous and cancerous lesions. HPV types are classified through their potential risk to be the cause of cancer. Low-risk types include those viral types that are not associated to cancer development. The most common low-risk types are HPV 6 and HPV 11. These types cause genital warts. High-risk types are the viral types associated to the development of cancerous lesions. The most common high-risk type is HPV 16, followed by HPV 18. But now the question is, how this virus can produce cancer? Two viral proteins are the answer to this question, E6 and E7. In high-risk types, the expression of this virus isn't well regulated. When these viral proteins are overproduced, different processes are affected. The result of the activity of these two proteins is a deregulation of the normal cell differentiation and instability of the infected cell genome. The difference in low-risk types is that E6 and E7 function is limited to increase the viral replication, and both proteins are well regulated. As said before, these two viral proteins generate a genomic instability that finally generates a transformation of the normal epithelial cells. The generation of transformed cells is the generation of a precancerous lesion. Transformed cells can spread out of the epithelial tissue, generating cancer. All this process can explain how an HPV infection can be the cause of cancer. How we can detect the beginning of the cancer. An HPV infection, and the risk of the development of cancer, is traditionally detected through screening programs using cytological techniques. There are two different techniques widely used in routine detection: Pap test and liquid-based cytology. These techniques detect microscopically abnormal changes in the cells. But nowadays, detecting HPV genetic material is the more sensitive strategy that we have. The sample obtained with liquid-based cytology can be used for both cytological detection and HPV detection. What can we do to prevent cervical cancer? There are different prevention strategies to prevent or reduce the possibilities to develop cervical cancer. The most powerful strategy, called primary prevention, is the vaccination. Using prophylactic vaccines will prevent us getting infected with the most common HPV types. The next stage of prevention, called secondary prevention. This strategy consists of implementing screening programs to reduce, and finally prevent the development of cancer if precancerous lesions are found through an appropriate treatment. The final stage of prevention, called tertiary prevention, is the pre-neoplasia and cancer treatment itself. Among other strategies, using condoms during sexual encounters is the most remarkable one. The condom does not offer a total protection against HPV but can protect covered areas. It's helpful when trying to reduce the probabilities to get HPV. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. For more information about HPV, you can click the link down below the video.